Namaskar, an Indian greeting for hello and swagatam. Welcome to my kitchen. My name is Kajal and today I'm excited to share 4 of my favorite, quick, super healthy, plant-based treats. These are so easy to make. Each one of these takes less than 5 minutes to put together and are wholesome and delicious. Having a set of ideas of easy, wholesome snacks in your arsenal is going to prevent you from reaching out for things when you're very hungry that are less healthy and less wholesome. So, let's begin. First up, we are making a simple stuffed dates treat. For this, we need pitted soft dates, almond butter or any nut butter of your choice, and some whole nuts. I prefer almonds and walnuts and maybe a sprinkle of hemp seeds. We have used almond butter made with 100% natural almonds and no added ingredients. Simply stuff nut butter and one more nut of your choice into the dates. There's an option to sprinkle some hemp seeds for some additional nutrition. As you can see, it's a super easy to whip together and it's super delicious too. The next one is the quickest, easiest, and oh so yummy. Slice up some fruits for this. I enjoy bananas, apples, and berries. Drizzle some nut butter of your choice. And sprinkle flaxseed powder. You can optionally sprinkle hemp seeds and enjoy with a toothpick or a fork. The next one is a quick savory treat. For this one, you can use a rice cake or any whole grain cracker as the base and spread a generous amount of hummus or any other dip, maybe chutney. And top it with some cucumbers, tomatoes, and microgreens or arugula. I love everything chocolate, and so this one is my most favorite. Into a food processor, add a cup of soft dates. If the dates are not soft, you can soak them in hot water for about 10 minutes and drain out the water. Then add 1 cup of walnuts and 1 cup of almonds. A 1/4 cup of cacao or cacao powder. Blend it all in the food processor for a minute or so, making sure not to overmix. Then, using your hands, make small balls. You can roll these balls on hemp seeds for extra nutrition, or roll the balls on cocoa or cacao powder for a richer look, or just serve plain as is. You can make these well in advance and just put it in an airtight container and pick it up whenever you are on the go or very hungry and don't have time to whip anything up. I hope you have enjoyed this video. In the description below, I have both metric and imperial units of measure to support worldwide audience. Thanks a lot for watching. Do let me know in comments what you think about these quick, easy recipes. And if you have enjoyed this video, it's always great to get a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, do subscribe. Until we meet again, from my heart to yours, namaste.